Nah.
Good morning, welcome to day 3 of my Grampians trip. Today I won't be going to the Grampians, I'm going to do the Great Ocean Road, so I'll just make my way down to the Arch first, I reckon. Should turn out to be a beautiful day, so we'll just cruise along the Great Ocean Road as far as I can get comfortably and visit a few spots, be a proper tourist, and enjoy my day waiting at the roadworks. So I've made it down to a small town called Mort Lake. On my way down to the Great Ocean Road this morning. Weather has turned out really nice compared to how it was this morning when I woke up and it was misty and very windy. The ride here has been beautiful this morning. Right, so I've really put my trust in Google Maps again. Ended up on a dirt road, but that's cool. G'day Cobber. And this is meant to get me onto the Great Ocean Road, onto the Arch. Is it the Arch or the Arches? I think there's only one, so it'd be the Arch. But anyway, there's meant to be another 1.2 k's of this business, which is fine. Tiger's great on these roads. I haven't even put it in off-road mode. So in 300 meters I'm meant to be on the Great Ocean Road. Oh yeah, and I'm only meant to be 1 minute away from the Arch, so I'm meant to turn right here, which is the Great Ocean Road. Better be aware of traffic here. Whoop. Traction control cut in. Freaks you out when the bike doesn't go because of traction control. Now, how many tourists other than me will be here? Let's see. So I've made it down to the Arch. What an absolutely spectacular place this is. Have a look at this. I'm hoping the GoPro does a good job of this. Absolutely beautiful. And the whole reason for coming here is to see the Arch. And there's the Arch. Alrighty, so I just went to the Arch. That was brilliant. That was so nice. So now I'll go to the 12 Apostles. I think there's still 12 left. I should be this away. About 15 k's apparently. I probably spent too long at the arch, but I want to get some good footage and just kick back and enjoy what I was seeing as well. You can't always be playing with cameras and drones and whatever. You have to take it in and enjoy what you're seeing. I loved it. It was great. Alright, so they've changed all the 12 Apostles bit, so you actually park on the other side of the road and there's a tunnel leading over to there, so I'm not sure I really want to do that. So I'm just gonna cruise on into here and have a look, I reckon. Nothing behind me. No, not really. Many tourists. Yes, really. And I'm one, so I can't complain. Here I am at Gibson's Steps. Another beautiful spot, as you can see. I'm probably going to go this far because I want to keep moving. But really nice coastline here. People enjoying the beach. Beautiful day for it, not too hot, not too cold. This is all part of the Great Ocean Road ride, I will say. I'm just leaving Gibson's Steps on the Great Ocean Road. And I reckon I'll go as far as Glen Eyre before I have a break, have myself a cuppa. And then hopefully make my way to Apollo Bay and then Lorne. I had a small change of plan. I'm just going to go straight to Apollo Bay because I'm feeling alright, and I don't feel I need to stop. I don't want to run out of time today, so I'm just going to cruise on down to Apollo Bay, and I might grab some lunch there, I reckon. It's a nice spot. I've been there once before on my Triumph Sprint ST, just down by Glen Eyre. Another nice little spot. I won't stop because I'm going to keep going to Apollo Bay, and there's a billion people here, but it's a nice spot. Good views both ways. Nice. Enjoying this ride. This is really nice. Weather's perfect. To Apollo Bay. Beautiful spot. Love it. If I remember correctly, there was a pub on a corner street. I'll see if it's open. I might get myself some fish and chips. There's a fellow tiger buddy. So I reckon it was this Great Ocean Road brew house. So I reckon actually I might slip down here. Cheers guys. Alright, so I'm just leaving Apollo Bay. That was excellent. Had a good meal, a good feed. I was fanging a feed. If you don't know what I'm talking about, YouTube the Chats pub feed, because that's what I just had, and it was good. So just coming through Apollo Bay now, very touristy here. I can see why it's a beautiful spot. Right, so this is the road between Apollo Bay and Lawn in Victoria. This is a proper coastal road. Beautiful. Check it out. And this winds along the coast all the way to Lawn and further, but I'm only going to Lawn today, and then I'm going to cut back through to Dunkeld to where I'm staying, because this is really my last day of my trip other than riding home tomorrow. Cheers, Trevor. This is Wye River. Still on my way to Lawn, along the coastal road here, which is beautiful. Nice. I know, I always say nice. $40k/h corners. Nice. Now I know these are only an adventure bike, but they do pretty well in the hills once you get into it. And this is only the XRX, so the suspension's not what I'd call great, but you can still have some fun up here in the twisties. You will scrape now and again, but no. You've got to be mindful of cars cutting corners, so you can't get that perfect apex, of course, but it's road riding. Yeehaw! And I reckon this is exactly the same spot I stopped on my Tiger, not my Tiger, my Sprint ST years ago. Right, so I'm in Lorne, and Lorne's busy. I'm going to do a cruise up and down Lorne, and then head back to Dunkeld if I can ever get through here. Here we go. Lorne is full of the beautiful people. Now it's a really nice spot, but wow, it's busy now. And this is a Wednesday afternoon, can you believe? Beach is packed. I guess it's school holidays. Look at this. Yeah, really nice place. Good shops, lots of surfing stuff, of course. And now there's all apartments everywhere. Look at this, I'm turning it around. So I've just left Lorne, heading for Dunkeld. Hit this road and it's absolutely beautiful. Really nice riding. I've just been caught up behind some cars in the real tight stuff, but now it's opened up. Just look at the scenery, it's beautiful. So everywhere around here is just beautiful for riding, and the roads are pretty good too. It's when you head out in the country a bit more that you get those big potholes in the roads that you really have to look out for, and they just get made worse by trucks. And if you hit one of those on a bike, they're generally right on the side of the road. If you hit one of those on a bike, I reckon you'd be over the bars. Alright, so I'm back from my Great Ocean Road trip and all the way to Lorne today. I'm back at the B&B at Dunkeld. As you can see by the front of the bike, she's splattered. Did well. It's been a big day. Nice to be back. This is my last night here at this B&B, which has been really nice. It's in such a good spot. As you can see the Grampians from here. And what I really want to do is just go in the fridge, grab one of these. Alright, cheers. Alright, I've reached day 4 of my trip, and unfortunately now I have to go. I missed this place, it was really nice. So, got the Triumph all packed up. Goodbye house. Alright, bye Dunkeld, bye my favourite cafe, Izzy's Cafe. Great little place, I'll be back. Home sweet home. Here endeth the trip, 1992 Ks. If you've made it through this far, thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.